Finished. We just had to add some more blocks to support the heating vents. Well, the heating contractor is finishing up their ductwork, and we're almost ready to sheet this floor. Let's take a look just for a minute at the underfloor ventilation. Here it's in the blockwork, but frequently we'll cut it in the rim joist. This is easy enough to do. We just cut out a section of rim between two joists. Then we can nail that same piece flush with the top to support the sheeting. Then a screen vent gets nailed in the opening. Crawl spaces need vents. A full basement may not. We've got all our regular blocks cut. Now we're cutting spatials. No need to use a measuring tape. Just shove a block in the hole, make the cut. A spatial is any block that's not a normal length, like here at the end of the building.